Okay, so here she is. This is the Suzuki 115, all open back here. Plenty of walking room and space right along here and over there for the tank racks. Super big bow. Tons of room up front. Dual hull. The video doesn't really show how big it is, but there's that one and then there's a littler one. The only reason I don't like the littler one is those rails on the front, and it's much smaller, but this is super nice boat. Seat right in front of the console. You'll really have to see this in person to see how big it is. Super nice. Nice brand new motor. Just tons and tons of open room. Like no bait wells or anything like that. This thing is made to be our dive boat. For sure. I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah. This is her. Nobody's even out here to talk about the trailer. I don't know how much the trailer is brand new too. That's her. I am in love with this boat. In love. Tons of room up front. You could have a launch. We could even have like a inflatable mattress up there and take a nap under the stars. It would be perfect. Yep, so there it is. Twin V cat. Power cat. It actually slips into like a multi-hull, into like a tri-hull in the back. I don't know if they all do that or not, but there it is.